Hey everybody, Brian from My Adventures, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the DJI Mavic Mini, I'm going to fly it out that window, and I'm going to sit on that bucket and I'm going to fly it around in the snow. It snowed last night, 4 to 6 inches here. It's like 10 degrees outside, so I'm going to do it from the warmth and comfort of in this room with the heat on, and I want to get some epic shots of the snow really quick. So let's see how the Mavic Mini fares outside. The wind gusts are 10 to 15 miles an hour, and like I said, it's like 10, 15 degrees. It's fluctuating a little bit with the wind. So let's jump into the B-roll, the intro, and we're gonna go fly out the window.
Take off.
The drone is ice cold. Like, if you guys could feel that drone is ice cold, but the motors, there's not really any heat coming out of the motors, but this drone is ice cold, but it's dry. The motors aren't wet, and the camera's not wet, the gimbal's not wet, and I just totally flew that thing in the snow. Anyway guys, there you have it. The DJI Mavic Mini in the snow, and you can see the snow's blowing here. So the drone's ice cold, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on charge, take the card out, get the footage loaded and edited, and I hope you guys liked today's video. Bye-bye.